to see everyone today. How's everyone today? God bless you all. Today, I wanted to talk about that it is so important to become this leader that God has called you. So I'm going to read something very productive today, and I hope you all can take it to heart and receive what I'm going to say today. Leaders are active and productive, and they set the example for others by working hard and long. Of course, you have to work hard for what you want. You got to believe for what you want, right? However, effective leaders also know the lifestyle choices can make a big difference and in their success. Leaders take care of themselves physically, mentally, and emotionally, which gives them the energy and the peace of mind to deal with the challenges and stress of leadership. Here are some lifestyle rules that are best that leaders follow. So I'm actually reading out of Brian Tracy, Leadership Motivation. I encourage you guys to get this book at any Barnes & Noble, any bookstore. This will be really great to have, and it's very handy. It keeps you motivated, and it stays equipped for you having that right mindset. Okay, so it says leaders are effective when they get lots of sleep. Okay, with 7 or 8 hours of sleep, you will have more energy and be more alert, positive, and resilient. And as a leader, you must be fully present at all times. You cannot allow yourself to be overtired or be in any kind of mental fog. And this is so true. You know, if you get enough adequate sleep, you'll be able to function better. Your time management becomes more balanced. You're able to be more productive and handle situations really quickly. Your mind is also alert too. I know when I get enough adequate sleep, it really helps me be more focused, and I manage my time very well. Okay, number 2, recharge your batteries, okay? Well, for number 1 is get lots of sleep. Number 2, to recharge your batteries. Times of challenge and crisis can be especially exhausting. Although it may seem unproductive, sometimes it is necessary to take a full day off and anything that has to do with business. And I know that if you spend a lot of time away from business and start making yourself happy and doing the things that you enjoy, really helps you recharge your self-esteem. It builds your self-confidence back. You're in line with taking care of yourself because you're taking care of your emotions. And this will really help you throughout the day. And not only that, in the days ahead, if you recharge your batteries and spend relaxing time doing the things that you enjoy, you will get successful. Number 3, shut down completely. Perhaps the best way to recharge your batteries is to shut down completely for 36 hours. From Friday night to Sunday morning, don't look at the computer, don't take phone calls, or even study materials from your office. Give yourself an equivalent of a Sabbath, and you will return to work more refreshed than ever. True, if you walk away, take a vacation. Don't even think about anything that you do regular weekly work or whatever you are facing. Walk away from it and do something else. Just think about everything from the things that you love to do, and don't even think about personal things that you face every day. So I talked about get enough sleep, recharge your batteries, shut down completely. Watch your diet is number 4. Your brain needs the right foods to work at utmost strength. Eliminate the 3 white or eliminate the 3 white poisons: sugar, salt, and flour. Avoid bread, dessert, soft drinks, and pasta. Instead, eat fruits, vegetables, and high-quality proteins such as fish, egg, or lean meat. Okay, number 5, get lots of exercise. The benefits of exercise are chemical. When you exercise vigorously, your brain releases endorphins, the happy drug, and that makes you feel more positive and confident and creative. And number 6, start your day right. Start by exercising 30 or 60 minutes after you wake up, then eat a high protein breakfast. You will be set up for the day and ready to perform at your best. All right. Thank you for stopping by at my YouTube channel. I know I just got up this morning and I'm in my little nightie still. And just like you and me, we start our day fresh. If you are a leader, you always prepare your day. You always read too as well. Concentrate on your growth mindset and you'll be successful. All right, have a blessed day. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Watch my other videos. After this video, I want you to watch this next video. Bye.